This is Tess from TessWigs.com. Olivia is going to show you real quick. We have this little eyebrow archer, which actually you can use for multiple things. We like to use it here in the store to cut baby hairs into your wig. So you just got to cut them like 1 inch tiny little pieces. And there you go. There's your baby hair. That's really nice and handy. You can also use it for your eyebrows. Then we take the brush, the edge brusher that I sell, and that right there, you can lay down your baby hair, or you can move the hair away from your face while you work. This edge brusher thing, it's awesome. And it's got a little pin on the end of it. You can also use that to separate hair. And while you're separating the hair, you can highlight it with highlighter. And I always talk about the color spray by High Beams. That stuff is awesome. You can change the color of your wig any color that you want just by spraying it. Any color. Then you can also use, for those of you that want to use more than just the combs, my wigs are glueless, but some of you just want to use it. We do carry Got to Be Glued for those of you that don't want to use the glue or don't want to just use the brush. If you want to sleep in your wig, I recommend Got to Be Glued. You just spray it right there underneath the lace on your head. Spray it. And then you press down the lace and just use a little blow dryer to hold it down, and that'll hold your wig down. So you can get all that at TessWigs.com. And I have like little kits where I have everything included. You can find it at TessWigs.com. And I usually call it the Wig Tool Kit. All right? Have a good one. Great weekend, ladies.